Yeah, that keeps happening because our chickens are so free range, they just disappear into a hedge. We don't see them for a few weeks and then they come back like that. And we really don't want any more chicks. Ugh. Cute though. Plasterboard. Annoyingly, they only had the slightly longer one left. They don't quite fit in the van. Okay. This one's only 5 minutes on the road. Just got to show you something. You may remember a couple of months ago probably I mentioned on the vlog that I'd sprinkled loads of wildflower seeds where the pigs used to be. So normally you sprinkle them seeds and not much really comes up, but look at this. So it's a bit hard to see, but loads are just about to pop. I'm super impressed with that. It's going to be so nice, and hopefully all these seeds next year will drop again and just keep coming. So I might trim a couple of paths just for the boys so they can get in here and play. Yeah, it'd be nice. There we go. It's looking good, isn't it? So all that's plasterboarded. I just need to fix the sides on. All the plasterboard in this bit is going to be glued on with plasterboard adhesive, not with a frame because we haven't got the space. So I'm just going to run the wires and then I can get that done. But looking lovely and neat now. On that side as well. So almost back to where we started. So I thought I'd do a bit of a Q&A. So basically I read all the comments that are on YouTube. There's a lot of repeated comments. I try to reply to some, but I don't want to keep just replying the same thing. So just going to go through some of the questions that you've been asking. Hopefully we'll all be the wiser. Dan, why are you daily vlogging? Well, I really want a new camera. So by doing this, I can raise some extra money, which will pay for the camera. So I've ordered the camera. I ordered it a couple of days ago. So this will help just recoup some of the costs of that. So here's one that I've had a few times. And it's about making the videos a bit longer, or a lot of people are saying about 10 minutes now. This 10-minute thing, I think maybe that's outdated now. I could be wrong. What YouTube are telling us now is it's more about how entertained and how content and how much people are watching your video, and that's what gets it recommended. Obviously, longer videos make more money because they have more ads, but you know, I think if I'm kind of doing the video and it ends up 6 minutes, I don't really want to think, oh, I'll drag that out a bit, I'll just put something else in there. You know, I think if I've got 6 minutes and it's really good and I'm happy with it and I think you will enjoy it, that's fine by me. Yeah, I'll make a little bit less money, but really I'd rather put out the better stuff. Dan, why your fly's always down? Dan, your fly's down again. Dan, fly. Yeah, it's not done on purpose, but I suspect that people are actually looking out for it now. Just got loose flies and baggy trousers, basically. It's not an attempt to get more viewers. Get a lot of like, Dan, don't burn yourself out, you don't need to do one vlog a day. You know, yeah, I'm doing it for the money. You know, I honestly wouldn't be doing it if I didn't enjoy it, and I'm super enjoying it. And doing it daily is actually more enjoyable. You know, I thought it would be maybe really stressful, but it's actually really not. I'm enjoying that whole creative process for however long I keep it up, hopefully for the month. Really enjoying it, and as soon as it starts to get stressful or I'm not enjoying it, I just won't do it anymore. A lot of like, how long are you going to keep daily vlogging? Well, I'm aiming for a month. Will I make it? I don't know. Will I do more? Who knows? Dan, what camera are you getting? So I've replied to a few people. I'm getting the Sony A7C, which is like a mirrorless SLR camera, interchangeable lenses. I've managed to get the camera and one lens, which is a 28mm, which is a little bit close for vlogging, but I'll make do for now. Yeah, super excited about it. Obviously I can do the photography with it as well, but it's going to be a really good camera. It means I can film, which some of you may have seen the last couple of days. If I'm filming inside, it's a bit grainy and dark, whereas that'll allow me to film inside or at night or at sunsets. So that should make a big difference. So super excited about that, and hopefully I don't break it. Dan, where's Annalise? We don't see much of Annalise. Where is she? Blah blah blah. Actually, I buried Annalise down the well. I was hoping no one would notice her missing, but awkward. No, Annalise is still here. She's not necessarily avoiding the vlog. Annalise does a lot of content for patrons, so you see a lot more of Annalise on there and the boys and kind of her daily videos of that. But no, she will still appear in the vlogs. It's just a lot of the jobs I just crack on my own and film, and it's easier rather than, you know, she's got the kids and stuff to deal with. A lot of people really enjoying the Lalande content. See me at work and stuff, so I've spoke to Stephanie about that. I've told her I've taken some sort of B-rolly shots, but I'm not going to give anything away, obviously. She's totally cool with that, but I'm just cautious still. I'll show you little bits of just me plodding along, but probably you're not going to see any of the big projects that I do there. That'll be for Stephanie. So that's it. Q&A. So hopefully that's cleared things up to you. I'm hoping you enjoyed watching. It's just coming up to a week. What vlog will this be? So tomorrow will be a week. Doing good so far. Hope you're enjoying it. And I tell you, I've noticed a massive difference in the comments lately. It just feels like a real sort of community. Everyone's getting behind this daily thing and enjoying it. So I do really notice that. So I really appreciate that. So I'll see you tomorrow. One more day until I get the camera. Yeah!